YouTube Nation, it's for your success. Dr. Brandon 4. Welcome to the Sangre de Cristo Mountain Range, just outside of Westcliffe, Colorado. Today, the Comanche Venable Trails. It is a gorgeous morning. Weather should be fantastic today. And more importantly, you're probably wondering where we're going. The hike today is going to be a loop hike. We're going to start on the Venable Trail. Now today's a special hike. A great adventure awaits us. I'm not going to tell you where I'm taking you, except two words. Phantom Terrace. That sounds pretty awesome, doesn't it? Before we get to Phantom Terrace, we're going to get to some alpine lakes first. Enjoying this brief respite amongst the aspen. About a 15 to 20 mile an hour breeze this morning, and temperatures are in the low 50s. Perfect hiking weather. And of course, what's a hike without a beautiful waterfall? Venable Falls. Are you ready for the view? You should be. Just a gorgeous morning. And that's where we're headed. To that range and Phantom Terrace. We just hit the first alpine lake, there's another one, and then we're on our way to Phantom Terrace. Just gorgeous today. A couple of hikers on the trail. It's a weekend too, but not many people out here. It's like I got the whole place to myself, just me and you. What does a lake look like at 12,000 feet? Let's go take a look. We're not even at Phantom Terrace yet, and you've seen waterfalls, alpine lakes. We're just a little over 12,000 feet, and it's just stunning here. Super quiet. The trail we're going is up that way, and boy, are you in for a treat. just by the lake here at 12,000 feet. The elusive paintbrush. It's quite windy today. Can you see the trail? Phantom Terrace. We have finally arrived. It's definitely a straight drop. It's a pretty steep drop. Phantom Terrace is quite impressive. Making my way up. Looks like it's going to be really windy here at the ridge. So before I get there, pretty awesome up here. Pretty windy today. A brief respite right here. In front of you, Humble Peak, Kit Carson, Challenger, Crestones, 14ers. Some of the tougher ones here in the state of Colorado. Up above you is a 13er. In front of you is Comanche Peak, another 13er, 13,200 some plus feet. Alright, I'm now on Comanche Trail. Down there is Comanche Lake. I pointed out Comanche Peak. And as you notice, there's no trail. You know, 13ers are sometimes a lot harder than 14ers in Colorado because there's just really not a trail. It would just be straight up. And Humboldt in the background. Man, it's just gorgeous. And there's a bunch of 13ers around here. As I said, there's 73 in this range. Once I cut across the saddle, it was really windy today, and I don't have the love for 13ers as I do 14ers. But that's okay. Today was to do Phantom Terrace, which is great, and this whole hike is beautiful, and wow. Just wish it wasn't as windy on the other side. I might have done a 13er today, but that'll be for another time. But for now, let's enjoy this beautiful walk down here in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Just following the trail heading towards the lake. Boy, what great weather today, huh? Now, if this was a weekend and 14ers, everyone would be out here. But because this trail takes you to 13ers and to Phantom Terrace, which is really a hidden gem here in Colorado, Not a lot of people hike it, so here we are. It's just you and me in this wide open space. Nothing like it. It's still wildflower season. And a beautiful view of the Comanche Lakes. Below the lakes, sub 12,000 feet, just before I get to the tall tree line. Heading down Comanche, incredible views behind me. This trail is gorgeous, just like Venable Trail. Open grassland, you're still staying above tree line. Beautiful. And it's still August. Wildflowers galore. Heading down through the tree line, but I got just enough to give you this beautiful view. YouTube, another adventure is coming to an end. Phantom Terrace. Total mileage a little over 13.5. And elevation gain somewhere around the 4,000 range. Round trip took about 6 hours. Really wasn't pushing today. It was a great hike. Thank you so much for watching. Phantom Terrace, this is truly a gem, a special gem here in the great state of Colorado. Make sure that if you really like my videos, make sure that you share them with friends and family. I'm so fortunate to have so many great followers, and I really appreciate all your comments, your support, everything. If you want to know more about me, you can always, on my YouTube channel, go to my personal website, foryoursuccess.com. I'm also on Instagram. And on my website, you can learn more about my book that I published a few months ago about the role of servant leadership in modern business today. So, I'm going to sign off for now. Until the next time, I'm For Your Success, Dr. Brandon For, wishing you to get out here to nature, because it's awesome. It's beautiful. Till then. Take care.